Oh, hi. I didn't notice you there. So, for today, we are not gonna be cooking, so don't be too disappointed. But we are making sparkling water. Okay? So, that is actually very exciting and it's fun, but it's, well, simple. So for those of you who've watched my hot cocoa video or other cooking videos, please don't be too disappointed. So anyways, these are our ingredients. 1 soda stream bottle and 1 jug. It doesn't have to be shaped like this, just a normal jug. Our fizzer, of course, the thing that fizzes our bottle. And lastly, and most importantly, the cup. Just so you know, it has an upside down bear. So anyways, we open the soda stream bottle. Easy as ever. Okay, you guys see the line right here, don't you? You have to fill it to the line, or maybe an inch or so under. Okay, so right now I'm gonna fill it. And done. So anyways, you see this is like, if this slows down, it's right under the line. That's how you want it to be.
Can you show it closer to the audience?
Okay, now this fizzer is getting a little low. Okay, so it's time to put it into action. If you don't understand this, it's fine. Just ask your grown-ups. But tilt your bottle. You see this little white thingy popping right out of here? You have to stick the bottle into it. It's drinking what's from here, okay? So it's like it's holding on to here, and then hold on to this. I got it. Push. Got that? Push. Okay? So you need to repeat. I repeat, you push it in, wrap this, and push until it's straight. And then you can let go. Now, there is a button right there. Right there. Do you see it? Right there. Now, we are going to press that button. Press. And then down here, some fizz is going to start sprouting. Push. Okay. And when it makes that sound, you know it's going. Bubble, bubble, bubble. So after bubbling it, it'll make this sound. That means it is ready. So now, pull. So now open it up. It makes that sound. Pull it down and put on the cap. And later, please have my assistant come over. 3 hours later, which is not true, we open up the bottle. Water fizzes out and it makes that weird, odd sound, whatever it is. So bring over your cup, since my bear is getting a little lonely too, and pour the water right in. So now that this video is almost over, what's your favorite part of making the sparkling water? Tell me. Mine is the fizz. Every single fizz. The button fizz, the closing fizz, the open fizz, and the fizz of when you're pouring it into the cup. It sounds nice. Don't you think? And now, please have my assistant come over now. And you can try this cup of sparkling water.
What is this again?
Sparkling water.
Sparkling water? What is that?
It's not glitter. Try it. It's good. It's good. You see, this sparkling water is really good. For some people. Just so you know, for some people, you might not like it, okay? For some kids like might not like it or something, but forget about it. It's good. So now that this video's over, tell me what you like and well, have a great day. Bye.